This Force 13's regional AU channel read the latest on the developing tropical scene, and we start off with the Joint Typhoon Warning Centres Tropical Cyclone Formation Alert. Formation of a significant tropical cyclone is possible within 125 nautical miles either side of a line from 8.4 degrees south, 169.2 degrees east to 13.3 degrees south, 174.4 degrees east within the next 12 to 24 hours. Available data does not justify the issuance of numbered tropical cyclone warnings at this time. However, winds in the area are estimated to be 28 to 32 knots. METSAT imagery indicates that the circulation centre is located near 8.6 degrees south, 169.4 degrees east. The system is currently tracking southeastward at 12 knots. The area of convection in West 91P is now located, as mentioned, at 8.6 degrees south, 169.4 degrees east. This is about 722 nautical miles northwest of Nadi, Fiji. Animated enhanced infrared satellite imagery and a 91 gigahertz microwave image depicts the consolidating partially exposed low-level circulation centre, persistent deep convection to the west-southwest and formative banding in the eastern peripheries. Environmental analysis indicates that 91P is in a favourable environment for development with strong radial outflow, warm sea surface temperatures 29-30 and low to moderate vertical wind shear 10 to 25 knots. Global models are in good agreement that 91P will track southeastward and continue to develop over the next 24 hours. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated at 28 to 32 knots. A minimum sea level pressure at this point in time is estimated to be near 999 millibars. The potential for the development of a significant tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours, it goes from moderate to high. And here's a look at the upper level divergence. The divergence is up around 30 knots, and the scene hasn't really changed over the last couple of days. Very healthy upstairs. Wind shear, what a mess, but it's not having an impact on the development of the next cyclone. And here's a look at the 24-hour shear, the tendency. And the vorticity at the 850 millibars level. Vorticity intensity scale is the right hand side of the screen. South Pacific tropical cyclone to come close to Fiji. After an already active start to the tropical cyclone season in the South Pacific, we will see another system developing, coming close to the main group of the Fijian Islands. Tropical Disturbance 02F, located to the north of Vanuatu, is deepening and intensifying over the coming days, possibly reaching a Cat 1 or Cat 2. Fiji is indicating a Cat 2 cyclone, and the next name on the naming list will be Mal, M-A-L, or Mike Alpha Lima. The consensus across computer models is that this system will track east, then southeast towards Fiji. But the development has improved over the last few hours. The system is forecast to track offshore to the west of Viti Levu, Fiji's most populous island. However, strong northeast winds turning north, the northwest winds should blow over the Asawa, west of Viti Levu, including Nadi and Kaduvu Islands. Apology for the pronunciations. Heavy rainfall will also affect the islands with potential for 100 to 200 millimetres over the west of Viti Levu in the coming days, which is usually relatively dry in the predominant southeasterly trades that blow over the region. A look at various cyclone phase. The sea surface temperature is the top right hand scale, and intensity is the icons circular. And as we know, the out of season tropical cyclone Cat 5 loader, the earliest category 5 on record. Now here's a look at some satellite imagery of the developing tropical low, soon to become tropical cyclone Cat 1 Mal. We will continue to bring the latest information, and we have a look at precipitation. And as I've mentioned previously, this system has really got its act together. Here's a look at the precipitation from the GFS model. The scale is at the bottom of the screen, and something else has caught my eye in addition to what the rainfall outlook is for the South Pacific region, especially Fiji. I'm looking at the area here in Australia, Queensland, area north of Fraser Island, right down to the Queensland New South Wales border, and there's one reading of over 500 millimetres. It's a darker brown, but the picture will change, and later on in a future update we'll have a look at the Bureau's total forecast of rain. Here's the EPS track guidance, late cycle intensity at category 1 on the international scale, and late cycle track guidance.